6th standard. I welcome you all to this new session. So today's plan is nothing but revision. So what all we saw so far, we have seen alphabets, greetings, and les mois de l'année, the months of the year, les jours de la semaine, the days of the week, les nombres, that is numbers. So all these topics we are going to revise. So we are not going to see anything on the board because today is midterm revision. Okay, so we are not going to see anything on the board. I will have an answer key. Okay, answer key is there. That is whatever we have seen. I have made a word file. Okay, using that word file, I'll show it on the screen and I will talk behind. You could hear one by one. We will revise one by one. Okay, so that's it. That's it. We are going to see today. So what will be your online test? I'll say that numbers. Okay, numbers, as I said before yesterday, we saw numbers from 1 to 10. That numbers alone you will have online test. Other things you can sit calmly and you can revise whatever you know. And regarding the portion and pattern, I will show you the portion and pattern also in the screen recorder. I will show that and I will discuss on that. According to the pattern, please prepare yourself for the midterm. Don't have a blind thing. Don't have blind idea. Just see the pattern and according to the pattern, you prepare yourself for the midterm. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, let's see in the screening method. Okay children, now I will tell you what we are going to see. 6th standard French portion. Okay, French basic general knowledge question about France. So the first day we saw this. Out from this we will get 10 marks, so that you can revise on your own. So rest all the things we are going to see now. Numbers 1 to 10, days of the week, months of the year, greetings. So this 4 things we are going to see. Okay, this 10 mark alone, as you have noted down, you can try it on your own. Rest of the things will be in the answer key. Okay, so the first day question will not be in the answer key. General knowledge question about France. This I cannot show it on the answer key, but other than that, vocabularies, that is French to English translation 5 marks. This is the pattern. Okay, general knowledge question 10 marks, French to English 5 marks, and English to French 5 marks. That is vocabularies, greetings. Okay, and this one numbers 10 marks, and 12 months of the year 12 marks, and days of the week 7 marks. Okay, so this is what we are going to see. We will see that in the answer key. Okay, this is how your answer key will be. That is Petit Seminaire Higher Secondary School midterm portion answer key. Okay, subject French 6th standard, les salutations, that is greetings. So first Roman letter is greetings. So from here only I will be asking for 10 marks. That is 5 mark from English to French or 5 from French to English. Okay, so the first word is salut. Repeat, salut. Salut means hi, hello, bye. Repeat, salut. Second one, bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour means good morning. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Please repeat, bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means good night. Bonne journée. Bonne journée means have a nice day or have a good day. Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. À bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon. Next we are going to see les mois de l'année. Okay, so as I said, first Roman letter, this I will either give in French or in English. 5 marks from French to English and 5 marks from English to French. Okay, so salutations is over. Now let's revise les mois de l'année. Les mois de l'année. Les mois de l'année. And les mois means month, l'année means year. Even this I can ask in translation, that is vocabulary. I said no. I might ask, what is that French meaning of month? You have to say les mois. So like that also I will ask. Okay, let's start. Janvier, janvier, please repeat. Janvier, février, 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 mars, mars, please repeat. Mars, avril, 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 mai, 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 juin, 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 juillet, 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 août, 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 septembre, 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 octobre, 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 novembre, 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 décembre, décembre, décembre. Once again, from the beginning, please repeat along with me. Les mois de l'année. First one, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. So just we finished the months. Okay, so month, all the 12 months you have to by heart and write and practice. I will ask all the months to be written. Okay, so I will give, write the months of the year. You have to write all the months. Okay, les jours de la semaine. So what is next? Les jours de la semaine, the days of the week. Lundi, lundi, mardi, mardi, mercredi, mercredi, jeudi, jeudi, vendredi, vendredi, samedi, samedi, dimanche, dimanche. Once again, the days of the week. So the days I will ask, les jours de la semaine. So I left a small s here, so just add it when you write. Okay, les jours with the s. Okay, les jours de la semaine. Jour means day. Even this question I might ask in vocabulary, what is the meaning of day in French? Okay, you have to say les jours. And week, what is week called as in French? La semaine. Okay, so title is very important. And this months or the days of the week, I will not ask you to write all the 7. Instead, I will be asking to fill up. Any one letter will be missing from here. You have to fill it correctly. Okay, so you just repeat along with me once again. Lundi, lundi, mardi, mardi, mercredi, mercredi, jeudi, jeudi, vendredi, vendredi, samedi, samedi, dimanche, dimanche. So we are done with 3 things so far. What is that? Salutations is over, months of the year is over, and revision of the days of the week is also over. Last one. Okay, with this we will finish the class. Okay, les nombres. Les nombres means numbers. So I have given here 20 numbers, but I have asked only first 10 numbers in exam. Okay, so first 10 alone we will concentrate. Okay, un, please repeat. Un, deux, deux, trois, trois, quatre, quatre, cinq, cinq, six, six, sept, sept, huit, huit, neuf, neuf, dix. So I would have asked write numbers from 1 to 10. you have to write the names of it. You should not put 1 2 3 and you cannot submit an answer sheet. Okay, you have to write un, a, they, u, x, the. So like that you have to write the names of the numbers. Okay, so once again we will practice this. Okay, numbers, les nombres, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Once again, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. So 11 to 20 no need to read, we will see it for quarterly. Okay, now we are done with 4 things. Salutation is over, the months, the days and numbers. So all this 4 will be asked for your midterm. That's it, nothing else will be asked. And as I said, 10 more GK questions which I revised on the first day. I think you got it as a answer key. Okay, at the end of the online test you will get an answer key, no? In that answer key you can learn. Okay, so you can download it and you can learn. Okay, from the GK questions which I gave, and you have attended the test and you will receive a small WhatsApp message, no? You can search from the message and the answers will be there. Okay, now few instructions. So you have to write the school name in your answer sheet. First midterm you have to write, and your name, class, section and roll number is must. Name, class, section and roll number, all this 4 is must. Without this I cannot validate your paper, because last time many wrote their roll number wrong, and there was a big confusion between whose number was it, and the scores were mismatching. That is, you will get a nice mark and that mark will go to some of your friend. So be very alert in writing those things. Write your name, class, section and roll number definitely. Okay, and coming to the end part of this today's class, today I will ask like this number test. It will be like a plus the, plus means plus. Okay, a plus the, I would have written in the words, and you have to write the answer trois. Okay, it will be little interesting. Everything will be in French. You have to find out the answer. I will ask 5 plus the, 5 plus the, what is the answer? 7. Like that. 6 plus 3, what is the answer? 9. So like that, it will, your online test will be conducted tonight. So practice accordingly for the number test. So that's it for you today's, guys. So write your exam well, and no more portion will be added. So this is your midterm portion. Salutations, les mois de l'année, les jours de la semaine, les nombres. Whatever is there in this page will only be asked, and numbers from 11 to 20 will be omitted. And apart from this, the GK questions which I taught you on the first day will be asked for 10 marks. Okay, that's it for you today's, guys. Have a nice day. This is the first time you're going to write French exam. So write it well, write neatly, because you have 1 mark for handwriting. Merci mes étudiants, bonne journée.